sumusuporta ng province and the SP of Iloilo na sumusuporta sa Kaya Futbol Club. I can promise that on our behalf, we will not only try our very best to represent in the professional league, but also do our part to help the development of football in the province of Iloilo. And it is our mission, as has been discussed in the past few months, to try and go to as many districts and as many towns in Iloilo to, spread our knowledge, share the knowledge, and share the love of football. So, once again, maraming salamat po. And our captain,
Yes.
Joven, would like to share a few things.
Mr. Bidik is from Barotac, Nuevo, Your Honor.
Ano ka mailonggo? Kala ko may English ka ba?
Ilonggo syempre. Madaming salamat sa suporta sa province kay Iloilo. Excited kami nga makabalik liwat dire kaga magampang sa sports complex. Tani mas lamang pa nga programa mabulig namon and thank you again sa suporta niya.
Yes, thank you man, sir. Actually, yes, Iloilo will be better pag though we have outstanding athletes in football. I know with your program, it will become better. So again, thank you man, and we are glad to be partners with Kaya FC, your team, and hope to see you again soon in Iloilo. Thank you very much from the SP as well.
Jan Williesa,
Okay.
Your Honor, is from the
Jan,
city.
Di mamba naman Jan. Upod ka na, nakatali.
Is from the
Tapos
city
lubusin
of
ka na.
Iloilo.
Damogin nga salamat sa Iloilo, no? Ginextend din ng kumuha para sa amin. Kagdapo nga privilege ni kasama nga lalo nga mga
From
players
here.
na represent na mo ng Iloilo sa mga highest level pa. Thank you, Gid.
Thank you very much. No? Again,
Yes, we
from all
would
of
like
us.
to thank also our consultant, Mr. Pablito Araneta, for
Mas speech ka ba na, Mr. Consultant?
No need. But just to thank him because he's in full support of the football program of the provincial government.
Thank you,
Thank you.
Kid. Thank you,
Thank you
Mr.
to our visitors. They will be going
Thank you very much.